Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 20 for gym management system in Django, and in this video we are going to perform these tasks. Okay, so the first of all we will create the user dashboard. Okay, user dashboard template, and then we will implement the edit profile functionality with the help of user change form. Okay, which we will import from the use authentication model, and we will also perform the change password functionality. Okay, so we are going to do these three things in this video. Okay. Okay, so let's perform the first task, that is we will create the user dashboard template. Okay, so let's create the new page. So here we have, I'm in the F Django apps gym system, and in the main folder, in the templates folder, here I will create a user folder. Okay, and in the user folder what I will do, I will create dashboard.html. Okay, and in this what I will do, I will open any of the template, let's say checkout HTML, or you can say cancel, because in the cancel we don't have any data. So I'll copy this. Okay, I'm copying this because I need a base HTML extending syntax and all the things. Okay, so we have this dashboard. Now we will create the corresponding URL and a view. Okay, so let's go to the main. I will open the both files, views and URLs, and here what I will do, I will say user dashboard section start. Okay, and here I will start this, and it will say user dashboard, or you can say simple user dashboard. Okay, and similarly we will create user dashboard here, and the name is here. Okay, we need to create the corresponding functionality, so I'll water wrap this, and here I will create. Okay, similarly we will comment here. Okay, so comment it here, and just start the functionality definition user dashboard. Okay, request, and we will render the template. Okay, currently we are just creating the template. We will see what kind of data we will show in this template. Currently we are just creating the static template, you can see. Okay, so this will be user slash dashboard.html. Okay, so I will give the link, on the let's say I will give the link on the base HTML. Okay, when user is logged in, then we will give the link on the base HTML here. Okay, so before the profile I will give the link here, dashboard. Okay, and this will be, let's say, dashboard. Okay, so this will be user dashboard, and this name is this URL, this will be URL tag, and this is in single quotes. Okay, so this is the name that exactly we have given in the URL file here. Okay, so this should be seen. Okay, so we have a now dashboard, and in the dashboard we are showing this kind of data. Let's load this data. Let's load this. So what I will do, I will just simply go to I will refresh this page, dashboard, and we have, sorry, please try again. Actually this should be dashboard, so I will say this is we need to create a row. So here I will do some HTML and bootstrap things, so please see this carefully. Okay, so first of all we will create the row, then we will divide this into columns. The one is column 3. Okay, and the second is column 9. Okay, the two column, default it has 12 column, we need to define the 12 columns in our required columns. Okay, and in these three columns what I will do, I will create the group list. Okay, and this class will be list group, and here I will create the items. Okay, I will create this link, so I will define this as a div. Okay, so in the div I will create the anchor links. So here Okay, and this will be let's say dashboard, and this should be list group item. Okay, and we will also confirm it from bootstrap. Okay, so while it is opening, I'm 99% sure that the class is list group item, but I'm because this bootstrap is 5 and this is new, so that I just want to see, so I will go to the docs. Okay, so it is opening now. Let's create the, from the view you can get the idea. So here it will say dashboard, and we'll say profile, and we will say my plan, or you can say notifications, because we have lots of things to do in the user dashboard. Notification, you can say messages. Okay, currently let's leave this enough. Okay, so we have a list group. Let's go to list group, and yeah, we are right, we are doing right. Okay, so let's refresh the page. So this is the thing, and now what I will do here, in this I will define the h3, and this will say dashboard, and I will define some styling like margin bottom 4. I will define border bottom, and give some padding bottom like 1. So this will be look like this. Okay, okay, so now what we need to do, we have created this dashboard template. Okay, and now the second task is over. In this video, just I want to show you, just we need to create this template, and in our upcoming video we will show some dynamic data, that how many like notifications, messages, and all the things. So we will style this more later. And now the second task is, we need to create the edit profile form. Okay, so the second task we will start, let's start the second task. Okay, so for creating the edit profile section, first of all we will open the forms.py file, and here we will create the profile form. Okay, so we will extend the user change form. Okay, so let's import the user change form also. User, oh, this should be comma, user change form. Okay, and we will say profile form, and in this we will define the user change form, and in this we will define the fields, first name, last name, email. We don't need the password, because password is in encrypted form, so we can't change the password in profile form. Instead we creating instead we are giving the password here. We will create the change form functionality. If you some aware about the authentication model in Django, then you know that Django provides us the change form functionality. Okay, so we will do the change form functionality in our next, or in our any upcoming video. Okay, so in the profile we have created this first name, last name, email, username, and we have a profile form. So let's import this profile form in our, so we are importing all the forms actually. So let's create here the edit form functionality. Okay, so edit form default, let's say update profile, and in this we will say request. Okay, and this will be form equal to forms dot profile, forms dot profile form. Okay, and in this what we will do, we will pass the instance. Okay, so this instance equal to request dot user. Okay, so we have this, we need to save this. Okay, so this instance, and now we will send this form to the user. So we need to create this form also. So this will be edit profile, and this will be go here. Okay, and let's add it here. And we need to create this, so I will copy this and save it as a, let's say, update profile.html. Okay, and in the view what we have defined, let's save this as a update profile.html, and we are sending the form, and we have here the functionality. And after this heading, we will define the form. So this form is here. Okay, and this will be in table, so I will define this in a table. Okay, and in this table I will define tr. This is for just, this is just for the submit button. Oh, today we are doing lots of front-end functionality. Okay, so input type submit, and this will be class button primary. Okay, and let's define the form here. So the form is what we are doing. Form dot as table. Okay, and here the CSRF token. Okay, and in the form we will define the method post. Okay, and action will be empty, so it will call the current action. Okay, let's we need to define the link here also. So I'll go to the, actually we don't need to go anywhere, we will define the link here, but we didn't created the URL. So first of all we need to create the URL. So I will simply say update profile, because I will create the same URL in the urls.py file. So I'll go to the urls.py file. Here I will create, let's say, update profile. Okay, update profile, and this will be update profile, and let's add this as a underscore, because okay, this will be fine. And update profile will be base.html, and this will be here. And we also need to define in the base.html file, so I will define it here. So this will be update profile. Okay, and let's refresh the page. So when we go here, why it is not, oh, we need to define in the dashboard also. Okay, let's make this common for all the templates. Okay, so let's say left sidebar.html. Okay, and put this is here. Okay, and let's include it here. Include user left sidebar.html. Okay, and from this list I will copy this here. Okay, and from this I will copy it in the update profile. Okay, so I will say, so here it will be, so update profile, let's say this is left sidebar. Okay, so let's refresh the page. So we have a profile, and in the update profile we have including, okay, let's go to the update profile. So here you can see that we have first name, last name, and all the things, but one thing is missing here. We are missing the classes. This will be table border. Refresh. Okay, so here you can see that it has a change password functionality, but we didn't create it yet, so we just need to create the link. I will show you after creating this, after completing this functionality. Okay, so in the update profile we have this, we will make it heading update profile, and refresh this. Okay, and we need data in this. Actually data is not, currently data is not showing So let's see why it is not showing. Forms dot profile form. Okay, and in this we will say request, we will say instance equal to request dot user. It should show the actually actually it is showing the username admin. We didn't define the first name last name, so that it not showing, it was not showing. Admin Lee, let's say admin@gmail.com. Okay, fine. And this will not work currently because we didn't define the functionality for saving the data. So let's say if request dot method equal to post, sorry, equal to post, then what we will do, so form equal to profile dot, we will save this, and here we will pass the all posted data with instance. Okay, and if form dot is valid, it means if form is valid, that all fields required is fulfilled, then what we will do here. Okay, okay, so we are creating. Okay, so here if form is valid, then what we will do, we will just say form dot save. Okay, then it will save the data in the database, and we will also want to show the message. Okay, so here what we will do, I will define the message default none, and if form is saved, then we will say data has been saved. Okay, and here I want to request you, if you hear any background noise and anything, then please ignore that. Okay, and one more request, please subscribe this channel, like this video. Okay, and if you have any doubt or any query, then please comment in this video or any video if you have any query or any doubt. And if you are new to this channel, then please click on the bell icon so that you will get the regular updates. Okay, and please access this playlist, and please add your comment, your name and your location. Okay, so okay, so enough promotion. Let's, okay, so we need to show the message. So I will say update profile, and here we will show the message. So before in the form, okay, so in the form we will show the message. So let's say home update profile, and we will say admin, let's say Suraj Kumar. Okay, and here we have suraj@gmail.com, and submit this. Okay, but it is doing nothing. Let's say, okay, actually it is showing the, it is actually updating the profile but not showing the message, and the reason is we are not passing the message here. Okay, so we will pass the message. Okay, so let's refresh the page, and it is saying something. Actually it is refreshing the page. Okay, so oh, why it is let's refresh it. Actually we need to add here one more thing. We can see here, we can, I will not show in the message, I will show after the heading, and I will show if message, then I will show this, else I will not show the message. Okay, so I will refresh the page and submit this. So data has been saved, and I will show this, I will show this only in green text, class text success. Okay, I refresh the page. Okay, so data has been saved. So we have successfully performed the second task, that is update profile. Okay, now it's time to work on the change password. Okay, let's create the functionality for change password. Okay, So what we will do here, the first thing we need to do, I will add the link here to change password. Okay, so in the left sidebar I will add here, I will add change password, change password. Okay, and in the URL we just need to add password change. Okay, and just refresh the page. So we have changed password. When we click on this, we have it is saying that the user sidebar template is not loading. Okay, so what we will do here, okay, so I will just add where we have, okay, so first of all we need to create two templates in the folder, a registration, that is a password change form, and password change done. Okay, so actually we are following the system, that is we are following the Django authentication system. Okay, so it defaults come with the password change functionality, so we need to just create the route. So we have created the route, now we need to create the password change form. So we have this password change form, but it is saying the error because of this sidebar. Okay, so let's remove this sidebar currently. Okay, so I will say, I will reload this page. So we have, you can see here, we have old password, new password, and new password confirmation. Okay, and in this we have a call MD3, call MD9. So I will remove this MD. Okay, and make it that it will auto calculate the responsiveness. Okay, so refresh the page. Okay, so when we are done, like we have a old password, like we have a new password now. Okay, and let's save this. Okay, so password has been changed. So this message is come from the, this message comes from the password change done functionality. Okay, so from here it is showing the message. So what I will do, I'll just copy this and paste it here. Okay, and we will say we will simply, yeah, this is fine. Let's add this in a password change confirmation. Okay, and here it will actually redirect to the password done. So I, in the just call MD9, I will say password has been changed. Okay, so this is the thing. So when we refresh the page, so actually this is not showing correctly. So what we need to do, we need to remove this thing. So I will just simply say password has been changed. Okay, and yeah, this is fine. And here we need to show the sidebar. Okay, so the flow is to change password. You just need to keep these two files in the registration folder. Okay, and you need to define the accounts in the accounts authentication URL in the settings in the, where we are, urls.py file. Okay, here you need to define this. It will automatically add, we have a path for the password change, and it will automatically detect the template and add the form in that template, and we can easily change the password. Okay, so we just need to add the sidebar here. Okay, so this sidebar should go in the change password form. Okay, so we need to include the template. So what we will do here, we will just copy the this thing, and we will paste it here in the change and in the done template. Okay, so now we have implemented all the things. We have created the dashboard for the user. We have created the profile section. Okay, we have created the change form. Okay, so I hope you understand all the things. If you have any doubt, any query, then please add in the comment section. Okay, so I will say this, that thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe this channel, and yeah, thank you so much.